So hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video, and as you know that I am performing a small series of how to create any shirt for free. And guys, it's really free, and there are many parts for this. Part means guys, I will show this time I will show you Avel shirt for free, and other times I will showing you another shirts which you can make for free without premium, guys. Okay, so first of all, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit a notification bell for all the notification, because I will be posting many parts after. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get to our video.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Please enjoy.
So guys, we are in our screen, mobile screen. Now what you have to do, go to your Roblox app, and guys, go here, shop, and you have to search here, guys, 4 times Avel. As you know, we are creating Avel shirt for free. Just search here, guys, like this, and just select this category to clothing. And when you apply this, okay, the pictures are not seen yet. Wait guys, I am pausing my video when it will be right. So guys, sorry for pausing video. I just the pictures were not loading, so I paused. So guys, what you have to do, when you find this shirt we are making for free. When you find this shirt in any scrolling down and up, where you find, just click on it. Don't purchase it, guys, because I will show you how to make it for free. As you can see, I don't have a single Robux, so I can't purchase it. So this is cost 5 Robux, but I will show you for free. First of all, you just select it, try it, not purchase, and take a screenshot here, guys. Scroll and click on screenshot so that your screenshot will be taken. After you take the screenshot, just go to your Pixel Lab app. When you come here, guys, you can see these 3 dots. Here you have to click on use image from gallery. After that, friends, you come here, click on your screenshot which you have taken, and just select this 1:1 ratio and crop as much as possible, guys. Means you have to crop until the t-shirt fits in this box. Not full t-shirt, guys, just torso part you have to fit. I'm showing you just this, like this, guys, like this. Just the Avel face will be coming, just this part, not hands and not head also, just this. And after, when you cropped it, just click on tick button, and as you can see, our image is cropped. After that, guys, don't forget to do this important thing. Just remove this, just click on this text button and side it. And another important thing you have to do is just go to this button, this guys, okay, and just go to this brightness option and select the brightness like this until it is white, and click on tick. After you complete all the settings here, just click on this button and click on save as image, and select this option by clicking this arrow to PNG. Don't forget, it's important to select it on PNG. After that, click on save to gallery, and your image will be saved. And after that, guys, what you have to do is to go to your Puffin browser, guys. From here, just go to your Puffin browser, and for this step you have to use only the Puffin browser, not any other browser. Just use this. And after you come here, guys, I will show you the setting what you have to do. First of all, click on these 3 dots here, select desktop site and mouse. When you select mouse, guys, what you have to do, just go to just drag your mouse to body and click on the skin tone button. After that, guys, what you have to do, just go there, advanced, click on this advanced button. Okay, just scroll down if you can't click, like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, select head, or go to your head option, not head size, sorry, go to torso and select it on black color as I selected, like this. Okay, now go to left arm and select the left arm to black color. Okay, guys, black, this one, this, and go to right arm and select it on white, left to black, right to white. Okay, like this. And in the legs also the same setting, the left leg will be black and the right leg will be white. So let me show you by doing it. Where we are, left leg. Okay, left leg you have to select in black color, guys, like this, and right leg to white color. Like this. Now click on done. When you done these settings, it will be like this. You will be looking like this. Right arm and leg will be black and left arm and leg will be white. After you done this setting, guys, go to your Google from here. Here you can use, in this step you can use any browser. Now go to www.roblox.com and guys, just log in from here. I already logged in. Click on continue in browser and log in. Okay guys. Here also you have to click on these three dots. Click and click on desktop side and click on this create button, guys. Here. And guys, now what you have to do, you are thinking that we have to click on shirts now because I tell you that I'm going to make a shirt. No guys, no. As you know, to make shirt we need a premium Robux package which is for money, and I show you here all the free ways. So guys, what you have to do, click on t-shirt, guys. T-shirt. When you click on this t-shirt, guys, what you have to do is to click on this choose file button. Click on documents and select the file you created now. This one. Okay guys, as you can see, select this. And when it is selected, click on this upload, guys. Sorry guys, I'm not clicking upload because I created many t-shirts. And as you can see, I have created this. But for you, I'm clicking on upload. Okay? Click. For proof, guys, I am showing you. Otherwise, you will be thinking that I done another setting here. Okay, I click on create and this is created. Now just guys, go back. Just cancel the Roblox app and these things. And after that, you have to go to your Roblox app after doing all these settings that I told. Okay, when you come here, guys, click on this avatar button. And guys, don't mind this. You are thinking that why this yellow thing is coming. Don't mind. It is just a little glitch. This is not in real, but it will show you that you have yellow. When you done all these settings, it will not look like this. I will show you it. Just go to your clothing and t-shirt and find the t-shirt you created. This is my latest created t-shirt, guys. It is not loading because I created just now. Wait guys, I will be back when it is loaded. Okay, sorry guys, I paused my video. Now as you can see, I don't did any settings. This was my latest t-shirt that I created in front of you and I weared it. And after you wear, guys, you will be looking like this. Okay? As I also told you that left arm and left leg to be black and right arm and left leg to be white. Right leg, sorry. Okay guys, when you done the setting, just join any of the game. For today, I'm just joining Tower of Hell. Okay guys, I joined here, and as you can see, guys, our created t-shirt. It's looking like a real t-shirt, but there is just one difference, guys. In real t-shirts, in arm there are white strips, but here we don't have these strips, but it's looking like it. As you can see, guys, and guys, just subscribe to my channel for more t-shirts. I will post many of the videos for free shirts like this shirt. Many of the shirts, guys. Okay guys, for today it's just this. If you like a video, please hit a like. After 15 likes, I will post another video on another free shirt. So guys, well, bye and take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.